If you have chronic back pain, then this video is for you. Stop calling your pain as pain. Now this technique may sound ridiculously simple, लेकिन उतनी ही effective है. And I'm saying this from my own personal experience. When I stopped calling my pain as pain and rather called it as discomfort or sensation or something uncomfortable, naturally वो fear which was there towards the pain started to reduce. Let me tell you why it happens. Pain is a very heavy word. उसके साथ पूरी दुनिया आ जाती है. The emotions, the feelings, the experiences, past experiences, the stories, the meanings, what you cannot do because of pain. ये सारी जो दुनिया है ना वो पैकेज बन के आ जाती है. So and that the whole package that comes along with it is actually a danger signal for our brain. तो the brain when you say pain, तो वो पूरा सारा जो दुनिया है वो brain and nervous system क्या sense करता है as a danger signal. And the way the brain responds to any form of danger signal is producing more sensation. So it will keep producing more pain, and basically we get trapped in this cycle of pain and fear. The idea is to cut that cycle, and the way to do that is substituting the word pain with something which is less damaging or less dangerous, which is maybe uncomfortable or discomfort or just a sensation, which I like to use, but आप और कोई भी शब्द use कर सकते हो. Rather than saying कि I have back pain, if you say कि okay I have some discomfort in the body, तो उससे क्या होता है discomfort. The nature of this word itself is something which is less permanent. Pain की तरह नहीं है जो permanent sound करता है, जो stuck ऐसे लगता है कि stuck है, वैसा नहीं है. Discomfort is more flowing, it is more shifting, change हो सकता है, something you will get out of it eventually. So that is the message that you're giving to the brain. Okay, there is some sensation, it is uncomfortable, but it's not dangerous. And when the brain senses that, it doesn't have a reason to keep producing the pain. Now here we are not ignoring the pain, we are not running away from the pain. हम उससे भाग नहीं रहे, हमें उसे डिनाई नहीं कर रहे. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, बस उस पेन शब्द या फिर वो जो सेंसेशन है उसका एक मीनिंग चेंज कर रहा है, और हमारा जो उसके साथ सेंसेशन के साथ या दर्द के साथ जो रिश्ता है, रिलेशनशिप है, वो ऑल्टर कर रहा है. As a result of that, we are able to get out of the pain-fear cycle, and obviously if we get out of the pain-fear cycle, the body doesn't have reason to keep producing the pain. So try on this technique and let me know in the comments what your experiences are. Positive हो सकता है, negative हो सकता है, whatever experiences you have, just share in the comment box, and follow my channel, because on this channel I share mind-body techniques to get out of chronic back pain, and these are techniques that have been scientifically proved and have helped thousands of people to get out of chronic back pain and any form of chronic pain for that matter. If you're interested, keep following and keep sharing your experiences.